Have you ever felt there is more to life than what you can see, hear, or touch? Have you ever sensed that behind the noise of your thoughts there is a silent witness, a still presence that has been with you your entire life? What if that silent witness is not only observing reality, but also shaping it? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes we're going to journey into a practice so simple you can do it anywhere, and yet so profound it can change the way reality unfolds around you. This is the breath of the observer. Take a slow breath in right now. Feel it moving through your nose, filling your lungs, expanding your belly. Hold it softly. Now release it, slow and steady. In that brief pause after the exhale, notice something. There is a space. In that space, you're not your thoughts, you're not your emotions, you're not your story. You are awareness itself. The greatest mystics and the most daring physicists have both whispered the same secret. Reality responds to the quality of your observation. Quantum science calls it the observer effect. Mystics call it as within, so without. When you change the state of the observer, the field of reality you're inside of begins to shift. And the fastest way to change the state of the observer is through your breath. Close your eyes and imagine you're sitting at the center of a vast, dark universe. Stars glimmer around you. With every inhale, you draw in not only air, but the subtle energy of life itself. With every exhale, you release tension, expectation, and control. Breathing this way, you're no longer just a body sitting in a room. You're the field of awareness in which the room, the body, and the breath appear. Feel it right now. Notice what shifts in you as you breathe. Imagine the next thought you have as a tiny particle waiting for you to choose it. Inhale slowly for a count of 4, feeling the breath fill not just your lungs, but the space of your heart. Hold gently for a count of 2. Exhale for a count of 6, letting everything dissolve. Rest in the pause, the gap where you're pure awareness. As you repeat this rhythm, imagine a soft golden light entering with each inhale, collecting behind your sternum. With each exhale, that light expands outward, creating a glowing aura around you. See it, feel it. Let your entire nervous system bathe in it. While you breathe, begin to whisper internally. I am the observer on the inhale. I shape reality on the exhale. Don't say it like a wish. Say it like a simple description of what is. Let your inner state fill with gratitude, as if what you most desire is already present. You're not forcing the world to change. You're tuning your frequency to the version of reality that already matches who you're becoming. Stay with this for several breaths. Feel the energy around you thicken, almost as if the air itself is shimmering. This is the subtle state from which synchronicities, ideas, and opportunities emerge. Here's the secret most people miss. Outer circumstances are like a mirror. The mirror doesn't smile until you do. The breath of the observer is a way of smiling at the universe first, of stepping into the frequency you want before the evidence shows up. Physics calls it collapsing probabilities. Mystics call it manifestation. You can call it alignment. The more consistently you breathe this way, the more your nervous system rewires. Old patterns lose power. People respond to you differently. Doors open where before there were walls. Morning and evening, set aside 10 to 15 minutes. Sit, breathe, observe, and let the golden aura around you grow. Afterward, jot down any insights. During the day, whenever stress rises, take just one conscious breath and return to observer mode. One breath is enough to break the cycle. Right now, as you listen, take one more slow inhale. Feel the light entering. Hold it gently. Exhale. And as you do, imagine the light expanding beyond your body, filling the room, the street, the entire field of your life. In this moment, You are not just breathing air. You are breathing possibility. Repeat quietly. As I breathe, I observe. As I observe, I align. As I align, reality reshapes itself. Open your eyes slowly. Notice the stillness. Notice how the world feels just a little different. This is the beginning of living as the observer, not as a passive witness, but as a conscious participant in the unfolding of reality itself. If you found this journey helpful, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss more practices like this. Share it with someone who's ready to awaken their inner observer. Together, we can breathe a new reality into being.